Guys, welcome back to Zig the Programming Guide channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to use InDrive app step by step. So first thing you have to do is go to your Play Store, Apple Stores, and you're going to search for InDrive. So once you search for InDrive, you're going to open up the app like this, and you have to wait for it to load up for you to set it up. So you can choose to allow InDrive to send you notification, which is very necessary just in case. So I'm just going to go on allow. The next thing, you have to continue with Google, passkey, or with your phone. Your phone means your phone number. So you're just going to click on continue with Google. Google makes it easier. So you're just going to sign in all your information literally, and you click on continue, and it's going to sign you in immediately. So once you're here, you have to confirm your information, add in your phone number, click on next, and you have to wait for it to load up. They're going to send you a code, so they have imputed by themselves. So you can see fast and secure login with a passkey. So you can choose to create a passkey, but I'm just going to skip. The next is your location, which is very necessary. So you have to click on while using this app to turn on your location on the InDrive app. So the request is going to process for a while, and once it's done, they're going to ask you if you're a passenger or a driver. But let's go for driver. So you're going for passenger, sorry. So you click on passenger, they're going to show you your location where you are right now. So you can actually try to pinch or zoom with the location, just play around with it literally. So you're going to ask you where to where for how much. So you choose a ride right here. You can do this where to where. So I'm currently at a Sinai Estate, and I'm going to say to Holy Ghost. So you can see right here. So you can just text the location where you are going to, and you're going to click on it. So once you click on that, they're going to tell you how long it's going to take, which is 24 minutes. So you're going to see offers that are going to pop up. So you can see this ride is 6 minutes away from me actually, and it's affordable. You can see it's actually for 4,200. So you can just click on find offers to find more offers if you feel that that one is kind of not a good one. So you can see this person just pop up, and they're telling me to actually accept. So they're going to tell you the type of car they ride and the minute is going to take. This person is very close to me and using a Toyota Camry, and this person is using a Peugeot 406. So you can choose to accept any one of your choice. So let's say we accept this one right here, which is currently at this location. So you can see where you can actually contact the driver right here, and you're going to just text the person real quick and tell you I'm on my way for pickup, address correct. You can just go back, and this is also for safety. You can just read for safety. You can share your ride, record audio, support emergency contact, and the rest of that. So this is literally how to actually order a ride using how to use the so this is literally how to use the InDrive app on InDrive. If you find this guide helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.